Hi, welcome to HIT 211. CRN is 10703. We're in medical legal aspects in HIM. My name is Liz Cannon and I will be your instructor for this class. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to access your e-text in case you're having issues. So from here, you're going to go to Content, which I'm already in. Your table of contents, you're going to start here in Syllabus module. You're going to scroll down to right under required materials is the e-text. From here, you're going to click on BNC first day. From here, it's going to take a couple of seconds to load, but you should be able to then see this e-text. You're going to hit read now. It's going to take you to a different tab, which is going to actually load your text. You do have the option, if you've already purchased this book, to opt out if you'd like to. You have to do that by the 7th of September, which is also the same day that you have to drop classes by. So here you are, then you'll be in your book. And so you'll just, start with chapter 1, part 1, wherever it is that you need to go. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.